Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix the ChatGPT account deleted or deactivated issue. First, unlock your phone and open the ChatGPT app. If your account is deactivated or inaccessible, don't panic because the issue may only be temporary. Now tap on the login option if you already had an account. If you are unsure whether the account still exists, you can also try the sign up option using the same email. This helps you confirm whether your account is active or deleted. Next, select the same login method you originally used for your account. For example, if you signed up with Google before, choose Continue with Google again. Using the wrong login method can sometimes make it seem like the account disappeared. Now enter your email and password carefully, then tap Continue. In many cases, the account opens normally again after signing in correctly, so check your login details properly before assuming the account is deleted. If you see a verification or continue screen, tap on it to confirm your identity. This allows the system to verify your login securely. After verification, your account may become accessible again automatically. If your account still cannot be accessed, go to the Help or Support section. Here you can check whether your account was suspended, deactivated, or permanently deleted. This is the best place to get official account information. One important thing to remember is that permanently deleted accounts usually cannot be recovered. If that happens, the only option may be creating a new account with a different email. So always try logging in correctly before thinking the account is gone permanently. And that's how you can understand and fix ChatGPT account deleted or deactivated issues step by step. Usually, logging in with the correct method or checking support information helps solve the problem quickly. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple and useful tutorials.